making fried Caraili with saltfish. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of salt here. Mix it up.
And here.
Okay. Half an onion chopped into fine pieces. We have 1 small hot pepper. We have 1 clove of garlic grated, and we have 2 little pieces of saltfish here. We soaked the saltfish for 10 minutes, and now we're gonna break it up into little pieces. Okay, so we're gonna put some water in it and wash it, and then like squeeze it to squeeze out some of the bitterness. Four tablespoons of oil, and we're going to add the saltfish. So we're going to add the garlic and the pepper, and the onion. So we're going to add the Caraili, and we squeezed out all the water from it. So it's been 20 minutes and the Caraili is done. This is what it looks like. Very soft. This looks really good. I really like it.